my garden. For all the new subscribers to my channel, I'm Navart, and we are in southern France. So I have a gardening channel today. I'm not in my garden, although, and so we are going to our Christmas market today. So I hope you guys to go with me and enjoy. We finally made it to our Christmas market. It started, I think, beginning of this month, but we haven't been able to make it because we've been very busy. But we thought we'll take the time, go, and you can see this is the entrance right here. We'll go to our Christmas market. We'll walk through. There's lots of beautiful little boutiques, lots of handcrafted items, etc. So we can go around, take a look at everything, and hope you guys enjoy it. This is what we do here, and this is a really lovely time of the year. Let's go. Okay, so you guys can see everyone is pretty much here. Lots of families with children. There's lots of fun things for the children to do. There's some people here. There's tables where the children can take pictures with them. This is so much fun. Everybody is having a really great time. It's a very family time.
Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Oh, fa la la la. Oh, fa la la la. Oh, fa la la la. See the blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la 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 la. Fa 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 la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la.
Make that happen this year. But we really want to be here with the family. Very nice. I thought I lost you for a second. This is the hot wine. Oh yes. So hot wine is one of them, my favorite things, you guys. So you can see that big pot right there. Usually they serve white or red wine, and they're spiced. It's really great. One of my favorite things to do. I love the red for some reason. For this time of the weather, you know, the red is my favorite. And I used to love. You just love coming here and having a glass of wine. You can walk around with the wine. It's really fun. handcrafted purses, beautiful fabrics. These are so beautiful. These are made from paper. But paper mache, definitely. Look at this, you guys. So pretty. Do you think Davin might like one of those? This one felt good. Very intricate. Merci beaucoup. Merci. Au revoir. À la prochaine. Okay, you guys, I'm really excited because I got some candies here. It's actually chocolate. Looks like it might be Italian because I saw that there were several cannellonis there, different flavors, and I don't think we've seen this boutique before. I think this was the first time. So anyway, I chose amaretto. I think it was lime, noisette, which is the hazelnut, cappuccino, and a few other varieties. So I'm really excited to try these. Cool.
walls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. Fa la la la. Fa la la la. Fa la la la. See the blazing Yule before us. Fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. Fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. Fa la 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 la. Fa 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 la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. Fa la 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 la. Fa la la la
right now. Mesa, we. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and bought one more item here, which I'm really excited to try. This is a truffle oil, the black truffle, you can see. So I was at the boutique of the truffle, and she offered me to smell both white and black truffles, and believe it or not, there was a big difference. I was very surprised, but I did like the black a little more. So she said I can use it for over the salads, with fish, with meat, some other things. So I'm really excited. Yay! I used to sew on that machine. Okay, everyone, so we are ready to start heading home. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is such a fun time. We love Christmas. It's a fun time to come here and be part of the community here in our small town of Castres in France, and just be part of it and see all the handcrafted, beautiful items that people present. It's so much fun. Have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you in my next